guys, welcome back to my channel. So here's a meal prepping session again for my Whole30 week 2. So here's what we got going. For breakfast, I made I just saute sweet potato and coconut oil. I made my own pork sausage breakfast patties. You can look up the Whole30 sausage recipe. And then I have just some scrambled eggs. Another breakfast is this beef patty, which I made for burgers this week. And then scrambled eggs, and I'll put this guac that I made for it. And then on this one, it's a veggie scramble with mushrooms, spinach, onions, and poblanos. And I'll just put hot sauce on it, like a green salsa. For lunches, this is a turkey shepherd's pie. On the bottom, we have turkey, we have carrots, we have yellow bell peppers, onions, and what else did I put? I think that's it. And then on the top, oh, and I put some spinach. And then on the top, we have potato and cauliflower mashed together, and we bake that. Then over here, we have some zoodles. We have some bell peppers. And then we have 2 chicken tenderloins with the marinara sauce. Over here we have another lunch, which, by the way, let me tell you something about Whole30. Well, prior to Whole30. You know, we're learned to believe that mayo is bad and crumbs and flours are bad and potatoes are bad. But in reality, it's all about the quality of the potato and the mayo and those crumbs, right? So here's what I made. I made 1 can of tuna, 1 mashed potato, like I boiled it and then mashed it. And then I add 1 egg. I made a homemade mayo, and then onions, spinach, and coconut flour. And then I browned them in a little bit of olive oil. Now, what I will say that I will do different, I'm probably not going to put the egg because the mayo was enough, and it seemed like there was a lot of moisture in them, so they didn't really firm up the way I like them. But tuna cakes, you guys, I love them. And I'm sorry, I do like my food browned. It's just what it is. And then over here I got a broccoli slaw that I made with my mayo. And then over here is going to be like a green salsa that I'm going to dip them into. For snacks, I have 2 sausage patties. I have a potato for just in case one of these dinners I need something. Like I'll just slice them and brown them like a little potato wedges. Cashews, sunflower seeds. These So Natural freeze-dried strawberries. I got them at the dollar store. Oh, it has sugar, y'all. That's where that's gonna go. Okay, then I made saute some vegetables, just some vegetable medley, all the leftover vegetables. That way, again, I could just put them on the side of any meat that my husband makes, so he doesn't have to worry about my vegetables and my sides. And then some hard-boiled eggs, my homemade mayo, and then a homemade dipping sauce, which is like, what was it? Pickles, mustard, salt, pepper, garlic, and I think that's it. So that should be really, really good. All right, guys. Well, that's it for today. Thank you for joining me. And hey, we're learning as we go along. That's a no-no, but all of this is a yes. Thank you for stopping by. See you next time.